Hello, ladies and gentlemen, to Frag Mortar Gaming. Though as I say that, I do realize that based on our main demographics of a gaming video, that it's going to be what? Women 65 and older watching it? Anyways, we will be playing what it's commonly known as do not use as your primary source for a history project, or you will not do well. Or, as it's known to our more astute observers, Hearts of Iron 4. Now, you will be noticing that I'm using the Rota 56 mod, and that I will be lacking several DLCs. This is because I want to have a quality gaming experience, and I am not a simp to Paradox. Well, let's get to it. Start up single player, new game. Now, as you can see here, there are several options to choose from. This tab gives a very lore-rich story behind these characters, but I mean, who really cares about this? Let's get to the maps. So, as you can see here, there are quite a lot of countries to choose from. We've got Mr. Gandhi here, and then over to the left, we got our favorite Zionist. Ooh, yeah. And then over here, we've got Mr. I can walk upright with no problems. So these are some of the major nations, but if you want to play something a bit more challenging, you could probably choose like Italy, Yugoslavia, Turkey, China. Okay, no commander. Looks like Chiang Kai-shek just got Thanos. But seeing as this is more of an introductory video, tutorial you will, for how to play Hearts of Iron 4, I think we should start off with something easy, something to really give you the basics of all the game. So we're going to play as Poland. Now, for a lot of you who don't know, Poland is by far the most superior nation in the world, and not just in Hearts of Iron 4. So as Poland, there are several fairly game-breaking strategies. If I'm being honest, one of them I'm about to show you would be really good for any beginner player starting off to learn how to see how HOI4 works. Um, so, what is this game-breaking sort of exploit that you can use? Well, see, the thing is that Hearts of Iron 4, it isn't really a balanced game. There are several strategies that really like take the cake. And see, they try to base it off historical accuracy. So, see, when Poland was fighting in World War II, the thing is that they didn't really invest a lot in like tanks or any modern weaponry, stuff that nations used past the 17th century. So the thing is that the reason why they lost, a lot of historians speculate, is because they didn't fully invest in their cavalry. Now, see, if you just switch all of these to cavalry here, the rest of the nations will literally just cower in fear to you. Like, right then and there, you win the game. So let's see how this works. You just go to this tab here. There's the double arrow button. You zoom into Krakow here. Oh, shoot. Here, double arrow button. You zoom into Krakow, by far the greatest city in the world, even in Poland. Alright, so after zooming in, put that away. You switch all your units over to cavalry. Zoom out, and there you go. The entire world has been annexed. So far, Paradox have not patched this out. I genuinely believe someone over there in Stockholm believes that this is just historically accurate and neglects to take it out. I agree with them. I tried out this patch. So far, to this day, it still works. And have a nice day. Like and subscribe if you want to see more Hearts of Iron tutorials.